The first connection. Welcoming your newborn. Congratulations. This is a momentous occasion, a time filled with joy, excitement, and perhaps a bit of anxiety. You are now a mother. Bringing a new life into the world is a profound experience. It's a journey that begins with the first cry and continues with countless milestones. It's a time of immense joy, but also a time of adjustment. Your life has changed in an instant, and it's normal to feel a mix of emotions. As you navigate these early days, remember that one of the most important things you can do is bond with your newborn. This bond is not just about physical closeness, but also emotional connection. This first connection is the foundation for a lifelong relationship built on love and trust. Every touch, every look, every word you share with your baby helps to strengthen this bond. From the moment your baby is placed in your arms, a powerful connection begins to form. This is the start of a beautiful journey together. You may feel an overwhelming rush of love and protectiveness. These feelings are natural and are part of the bonding process. Your baby, too, is experiencing a sensory explosion, transitioning from the familiar comfort of the womb to the outside world. Every sound, sight, and touch is new and exciting for them. You are now their safe haven, their source of comfort and security. Your presence is what reassures them and helps them feel safe. This initial period is crucial for establishing a strong bond. Skin-to-skin contact, gentle words, and loving gazes all contribute to this connection. Your baby is learning to trust you, to feel safe and loved in your arms. This trust is the cornerstone of their emotional development. It's a time to embrace the miracle of new life and cherish every precious moment. These early days are fleeting, but the bond you create now will last a lifetime. Take the time to enjoy these moments, to hold your baby close, and to marvel at the new life you have brought into the world. This is just the beginning of a wonderful journey together. The magic of bonding. Benefits for you and baby. Bonding isn't just about warm, fuzzy feelings. It has tangible benefits for both you and your baby. This special connection begins the moment your baby is born and continues to grow with every touch, smile, and interaction. For your baby, feeling secure and loved promotes emotional well-being. This sense of security is crucial for their overall development and helps them feel safe in their new world. It lays the groundwork for healthy brain development, social skills, and emotional regulation. When a baby feels loved and secure, their brain releases chemicals that support growth and learning. Babies who are securely attached to their caregivers tend to be more confident and independent as they grow. This confidence allows them to explore their environment and learn new skills, knowing that their caregiver is a safe base to return to. They are better able to cope with stress and form healthy relationships throughout their lives. This early bond sets the stage for how they will interact with others and handle challenges as they grow older. For mothers, bonding releases hormones like oxytocin, often called the love hormone. This hormone not only helps in creating a strong emotional connection, but also has several physical benefits. Oxytocin promotes feelings of calmness, reduces stress, and facilitates emotional connection. It helps mothers feel more relaxed and connected to their babies, making the experience of motherhood more fulfilling. It also plays a vital role in breastfeeding, stimulating milk production and letdown. This ensures that the baby receives the necessary nutrients for healthy growth and development. The bond you establish with your baby can help alleviate the stress and anxiety that often accompany new motherhood. Knowing that you are forming a strong, loving connection with your baby can provide immense emotional support. It's a reminder that you are not alone in this journey and that you have a precious little one who needs you. This bond is a powerful source of strength and comfort, helping you navigate the challenges and joys of parenthood together. As you continue to bond with your baby, you will discover new ways to connect and communicate. Simple activities like reading a book, Singing a lullaby, or just spending quiet time together can deepen your bond and create lasting memories. These moments of connection are not only beneficial for your baby's development, but also for your own well-being. They provide opportunities for you to relax, enjoy, and cherish the special relationship you have with your baby. Remember, the bond you share with your baby is unique and irreplaceable. It is a beautiful journey that evolves over time, bringing joy, love, and fulfillment to both of your lives. Skin to skin. A foundation for closeness. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to bond with your newborn is through skin-to-skin contact. This practice, often referred to as kangaroo care, is not just a trend but a scientifically backed method to enhance the well-being of both the baby and the parent. This involves holding your baby directly against your bare chest, allowing them to feel the warmth of your skin and hear the steady beat of your heart. The rhythmic sound of your heartbeat can be incredibly soothing for your newborn, mimicking the environment they were accustomed to in the womb. Skin-to-skin contact has numerous benefits for babies, including regulating their temperature, heart rate, and breathing. This close contact helps stabilize their physiological functions, making the transition from the womb to the outside world smoother and less stressful. It can also reduce crying, promote sleep, and even help with breastfeeding. Babies who experience skin-to-skin contact are often more likely to latch on successfully during breastfeeding, which can be a crucial factor in establishing a strong breastfeeding relationship. For mothers, skin-to-skin releases oxytocin, fostering a sense of closeness and attachment. This hormone, often called the love hormone, plays a significant role in maternal bonding and can help reduce the risk of postpartum depression. It's a beautiful way to connect with your baby and create a sense of calm and intimacy. These moments of closeness can lay the foundation for a strong emotional bond that will last a lifetime. Encourage your partner to engage in skin-to-skin contact as well. Fathers and partners can also benefit from this practice, experiencing similar bonding and emotional benefits. It's a wonderful way for them to bond with the baby and share in those special moments. By involving both parents in skin-to-skin contact, you create a supportive and nurturing environment for your newborn, helping them feel secure and loved from the very beginning. Section 4. Feeding time, bonding through nourishment. Whether you choose to breastfeed or bottle feed, feeding time is a prime opportunity for bonding. Hold your baby close, making eye contact and talking softly to them as they feed. This physical and emotional closeness creates a special connection. If you are breastfeeding, the hormones released during nursing enhance the bonding experience. The act of breastfeeding itself is a deeply nurturing and intimate experience. If you are bottle feeding, choose a comfortable position that allows you to hold your baby close and make eye contact. Don't be afraid to gently touch and caress your baby as you feed them. Remember, feeding time is not just about providing nourishment. It's about nurturing the bond between you and your baby. Section 5. The power of your voice. Talking and singing. Your baby finds your voice incredibly soothing and familiar. From the moment they are born, they are drawn to the sound of your voice, which they have been hearing in the womb. Talk to your baby frequently, even if it's just simple words or sounds. Sing lullabies or play gentle music. Your baby may not understand the words, but they will respond to the tone and rhythm of your voice. Reading stories is another wonderful way to engage your baby and expose them to language. Choose books with colorful pictures and simple text. The more you talk, sing, and read to your baby, the more you stimulate their brain development and strengthen your bond. Section 6. Understanding baby's cues. Building trust and responsiveness. Pay close attention to your baby's cues and respond to their needs promptly. This builds trust and security, essential components of a strong bond. When your baby cries, they are trying to communicate with you. Learn to differentiate between their cries. A hungry cry sounds different from a tired cry, or a cry for a diaper change. Responding to your baby's cues consistently teaches them that you are there for them and that their needs will be met. This predictability creates a sense of safety and security, fostering a strong attachment. Don't worry about spoiling your baby by responding to their cries promptly. In these early months, they are completely dependent on you and need to know they can rely on you.